Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the one of the most important reagent, that is manganese dioxide. This is the oxidizing reagent used for the oxidation of the alcohols to the carbonyl groups. Remember that this reagent is selective oxidizing reagent for the alcohol. It is prepared by adding manganese sulfate to the potassium to the KMnO4. So it is prepared by the addition of manganese sulfate to the potassium permanganate. This is the most important point. Now remember that the manganese dioxide is soluble in the dichloromethane, chloroform, benzene, alcohol and the petrol. So this reagent is the soluble in dichloromethane, chloroform, benzene, alcohol and the petrol. Initially produced manganese dioxide is impure, so it is volatile with the solvent and the salt. Remember that these impurities are reduced by heating the manganese dioxide at 200 degrees Celsius. This is the mild oxidizing reagent. Now we will see the reactivity of the manganese dioxide. Here you can see that benzene will react first, then allyl group is react, and then secondary alcohol, and then the primary alcohol get react. The manganese dioxide oxidized from the sterically less hindered phase of the substrate. So it will give the stereoselective product. It will oxidize from the sterically less hindered phase. You have to remember that it will oxidize from sterically less hindered phase. Now here we will see some examples for the manganese dioxide. The allyl alcohol is present here, so it will get the alcohol get oxidized to the aldehyde group. This is the primary alcohol, so primary alcohol get oxidized to the aldehyde. In the second example, this is the primary alcohol and this is the secondary alcohol, as well as this is this is allyl group is allyl group, so this will get oxidized, so the ketone formation will takes place. Now we will move towards the mechanism of the manganese dioxide. This mechanism is the absorption mechanism. This is the most important point. Here you can see that the mechanism for the manganese dioxide, and this is the absorption mechanism. Here the alcohol is present and this is the manganese dioxide. The manganese is present in the plus 4 oxidation state. This lone pair of electron is attacked over this manganese, and this bonding electron pair is shifted toward the oxygen atom, because the oxygen is the second most electronegative atom, so it will attract the electrons towards it. So here there will be a formation of positive charge over this oxygen atom, and one of this oxygen atom becomes negative. So this oxygen atom abstract the electron from this alcohol. So this proton is transferred towards this oxygen atom. Now here you can see that there will be a homolytic fission will occur. So one of the bond will break. Remember, as I earlier said, this is the absorption mechanism. So one of the bond will break and there will be a radical formation will carried out. So here there will be a single electron is present over the manganese, and here there will be a single electron is present over this oxygen atom. Now this CH bond get breaked. So there will be a homolytic fission. So here also the radical formation will carried out. This hydrogen atom is transferred toward this oxygen atom. So this here there will be a formation of alcohol group at the manganese. So here you can see that the alcohol group is present. Here the radical is formed as it is, and now this manganese and oxide bond get breaked. So in the next, here you can see that there will be a formation of aldehyde, and here you can see that the hydroxide of manganese is formed. Now this hydroxide of manganese get hydrolysis, and here you can see that water is present and the manganese oxide is present. This is the mechanism for the manganese dioxide. Here this will act as electrophile, and the lone pair of electron present over the oxygen atom attacked over this manganese. The bonding electron pair shifted towards the oxygen and the oxygen becomes negative. Now this oxygen, which is negative, abstract the proton from the alcohol. Now in the next case there will be a homolytic fusion of between the manganese and oxide, so one of the bond will break and the radical formation will takes place. So here the radical formation will takes place. Now the CH bond get break and this hydrogen is shifted towards this oxygen atom, so the two alcohol groups are present over this manganese atom. Now here you can see that the bonding between the oxygen and manganese is also get break, and the formation of aldehyde will present here, and as well as the manganese hydroxide is present as a byproduct. Here we have another example. Here you can see that the allyl alcohol is present and this is the primary alcohol is present. In the reactivity order, I will, as I earlier said, the benzyl allyl secondary and then primary alcohol get oxidized. So this allyl alcohol get oxidized and there will be a formation of aldehyde.